Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is part 2 of my favorite metaverse projects, and I hope you guys have seen the first video. If you haven't, please go and check the first video. You will know the basis of my favorite projects. What are important aspects I see before calling it my favorite project in the metaverse sector. So let's jump into today's video and do watch the first video. And if you're joining me for the first time, guys, please subscribe to the channel. So this is the first video where I had shared 3 metaverse projects that I really like, and I have also given a superficial technical analysis of those 3 projects. Today we look at my next 3 favorite projects for metaverse, and the first project is IMEX, that is Immutable X. Now this is not basically a game or a gaming studio. Rather than that, it is a layer 2 on Ethereum. So it's basically an infrastructure that I think will play a very big role in metaverse as and when this gets adopted. Metaverse as a sector gets adopted, and we know that it's just a matter of time, because I believe metaverse is going to be huge, and in that IMX can play a very important role. So it is backed by a lot of big players. It is an amazing an important infrastructure for metaverse, in my opinion. So go and check their website. This is a really nice project, and I like this project. If we see the market cap, it's almost $600 million market cap. Its fully diluted market cap is almost $5.3 billion. So a lot of IMX tokens are yet to be unlocked, and that's why it's very important for you to understand its white paper, study its tokenomics, because whenever new tokens will come in the market, we will likely see a dump in the price. And in fact, that would be a good point to enter if you are wanting to trade. If you're wanting to accumulate, even then, accumulating in dips is a good strategy, in my opinion. So check their white paper, go and check their tokenomics specially, and then only you can think of investing in the project. So if you look at the overall marketplace of IMF, it is already featured with a lot of games like God Unchained, and also a lot of NFT collections. So overall, a very good infrastructure project, and it is, for me personally, rather than betting on one single game, I would like to bet on infrastructure or important studios or gaming studios, or basically a project that has broad applications rather than just one application. So IMX is the first project that I like, and I think you should have a look at it. Of course, none of this is financial advice, neither I am any kind of an expert. It is just a pure guesswork. Any project can go big, or any project can go small or shut. So please do your own research. If we look at the chart of IMX, this is IMX USDT chart on UB exchange. It's currently, its previous all-time high was around at $9.5. It's currently trading at $2.66. So a good dump. If you want to purely trade it, for me, a very important point for IMX to flip is at around $3.2, which is currently acting as resistance. You can see we got some pump above it, but we immediately came back down. We are also facing resistance from 21 EMA. A very important support, in my opinion. You can see over here. So overall, if you just want to trade this token, then you should wait for it to break this, form a support over here, and then you can ride it. As I think if we get a new bull wave in the market, then IMX can also go and retest its all-time high, or go for a new all-time high at $10. If not, it can further go down, and the next immediate support, in my opinion, would be at around $1.3. So if you want to accumulate in dips, these are good zones to accumulate. If you purely want to trade it, you can wait for the breakout and then trade. But keep this project in your watch list, and whenever you feel it's a good entry point to you, you can always enter. The second project that I love, and it's basically my favorite project in the overall crypto space, and I believe in this project from the beginning. I invested in Veracity at around $1.6 million market cap, which was really a small micro cap, but it was my gem, and I went big with VRA, and I am going to still ride it because I believe it has a lot in store and it's massively undervalued. So VRA is again a very important project in my opinion. Just like IMEX, this is also an infrastructure play or an ecosystem play, because it's not just one game. It's basically providing blockchain technology to the existing gaming industry. It's also providing a very important protocol to protect ad frauds and NFT frauds. So it's a very huge project in my opinion, and it has got amazing team, amazing community, and it is already having an amazing price action too. So the current market cap for VR is at around $144 million, which is extremely low. Even 10x would be at just $1.4 billion, which is extremely achievable for VRA in my opinion. And of course, it can go way higher than that too. So if you look at the VRA chart, it is currently broken out of the important resistance, and which I wanted it to break, and it is broken out of this downtrend in my opinion. Important resistance to break was 2.5 cents, which VRA has broken and is currently trending above it. Even if we come down, if we are able to hold this 2.5 cents as support, then I think in the next pump VRA will go way higher, and of course it can also form a new all-time high. So this is a good trading opportunity also right now, as it is above a very important zone. And in my opinion, as long as we are about 2.5 cents, I don't think there is any danger of further downtrend, at least in the shorter time frame. So a very important project for Metaverse, a very important project for gaming and NFT. So have a look at VRA, and if you like this project, I think it's a good time to accumulate. And if at all we see some dump, it would be even a better time to accumulate. But do not wait, you should start building your positions with VRA in my opinion. The third project that I really like in the Metaverse section, again an infrastructure play, overall support structure play, that is Render. It is currently at around $709 million market cap, and it's fully diluted is at around 1.7, so almost 45 to 50% tokens are in circulating supply. And I think that it's a very important project, as you can see, rendering the metaverse. If metaverse is going to become big and NFTs are going to become big, then I think we will need a a decentralized ecosystem, and Render will play a very important role in my opinion. So you can check their website, distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. Render and VRA, these two projects were also in my 2022 favorite videos, favorite alts for 2022. I had shared some alts that are my favorite alts for 2022. You can see there are two videos. I had shared around six alts if I'm not wrong, and Render and VRA were both part of that six alts. So you can go and check this video also. My favorite altcoins for 2022. And Render is an important metaverse play. In my opinion, again, an infrastructure play. If metaverse has to become big, then I think Render will play a very important role in that. So a very important project that you should have it in your watch list, and whenever you get chance, you should accumulate it. Again, if you look at the Render chart right now, very superficially, it's trying to break a very important resistance, which in my opinion should be broken if we have to discard further downtrend. So the important price point for render right now to break would be at $3.6. You can see it was a previous support, then we broke it over here. Currently we did go up, but we have again failed to reclaim it as support. It's currently also getting resisted by 21 EMA, but now it should get support by 200 EMA, the red line that you see, which was also broken over here. So I think this is a good one of the good areas to accumulate render. If we reject this $3.6 price range, then we can also go lower, but this would be a good accumulation zone in my opinion. If we get some parabolic move on the upside, then I think render has a huge upside. And if we get insane Bitcoin move closer to 80, 90K or even 100K, then I think render can also go to 10 or $12. It's currently at $3.2. But overall, a very solid project at a $700 million market cap is not that big. A 3x, 4x, or even 10x is possible in render. Similarly, a 10x or 20x is possible in veracity. And ultimately, I think it can go even way higher. And if you look at Immutable X, it's again 600 million market cap. It's a layer 2 on Ethereum. So expecting a 6 billion market cap that is 10x from here would not be unreasonable, given that we continue with the bull market and given that these projects stay relevant. So please understand the risk associated with all these projects and do your own research, and then only you should invest in any project, in my opinion. This was just my humble opinion. Till now I have shared 6 important metaverse projects that I think are really extremely interesting to me. I hope you guys find my videos helpful and you show your love to my videos, like my videos, share the videos, and do subscribe to the channel. Take care, guys. Bye bye.